What's up guys, today I'll be installing a blackout grill on my 2017 Ford Fusion, and you guys are gonna basically watch it go down. So essentially, if you're new, this is my Ford Fusion and I'll be making a little montage for it soon, but for right now this is what it looks like and this is what I want it to look like. And so we're getting there, you know, baby steps, right? So first we're gonna do the grill, then we're gonna do the blackout trim or the chrome delete, and then we'll do the wheels, tires, all that fun stuff. So tune in. All right, so this is the first time I'm opening it. I haven't opened it yet, and this is basically what we got right here. We got the bumper itself, some tools that I bought because previously I had some tools. You guys have no idea how excited I am to open this bad boy. That is just beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see that, or it's a good shot of it. But holy cannoli. In order to get to these screws back here in this area, in this channel, excuse me, you have to, people have been taking the wheels off, but I don't have that equipment or the time to do that. So instead, what you can do is just chuck the wheel to one side, get to the screws, and then chuck them to the other side, and then kaboom. Is the sound even on? Hello. This is the progress we got so far. We got the bumper off. Now we just have to change the grill, and then we should be all set. All right, guys, here's the grill. Here's a side-by-side of what the chrome versus the blackout looks like. And honestly, I like the look of the black a lot much better. I think that the chrome is more of a bougie thing, but you know, we'll see. This is not by any means a tutorial on how to do this, but essentially there's screws on top of here, so where this is at here, on the bottom of the entire bumper, all there on the bottom, on the top, and on the sides. So again, chuck your wheels, and then you can see right here there's a screw there, and then there's these brackets right here that these were a pain in the ass. So these connect to up here. And so you have to pry this back and shove your hand in here and screw that back on top of there. So this gave me a really hard time here, but still possible. Again, just chuck your wheel, take the screws off of this bracket here, so this connects with that, take those off. And then as far as the grill, this basically has clips, so I'll show you an easy shot. There we go, that clip right there. You pull those up and then the grill comes out, and then you can put the new one in. Also, don't be afraid to push. I mean, be careful and gentle, but like this was not out like it was here. It was pushed in. It was like stuck inside. So I had to push on the inside and push it out for it to actually come out. And now see, it looks like a normal grill. It's not smushed in there. And then I gave it a nice tug and it's stuck in there. So I'm really excited to put this back together and see what it looks like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is not clean, but it is installed, and I think it looks totally badass. I like the way how it's blacked out. Again, I'm going to do a chrome delete, black wheels, black on black, on black on black on black. On the off chance that you are watching this video and you want this grill, it's going to be on an eBay listing, and I'm just going to list it for the price of that I bought. I've seen these go for $200. I mean, I'm just gonna ask for my money back basically from that bumper, which was about $80. So if you guys are interested in this, the link will be in the description down below. It's in perfect condition. The car is basically brand new. I just need to wash it, which I will. I will clean it, wash it, disinfect it, and then just put it with, I'm gonna put it with the shipping materials that it came with for the other grill. So if you guys are interested, link is in the description down below. Super cool.